Hi everyone, I'm MK Seminar. Just wanted to share my makeup look with you guys today. Something simple. Wearing my Time-Wise 3D foundation in W140. Got my Cocoa Contour powder on. I've got Shiny Penny on my eyes, MK black liner, some Cocoa Contour on the eyes too. My brows are done. For my lips, I'm wearing the marykay cream lipstick in really red, one of my favorites. And on my cheeks, I have the Chroma Frisian color, the cheek color, and that's it. Pretty simple, and I love it. Bye guys. Hey, hey, hey. Here we go, people. Y'all hear that?
Number 4 in Emerald and number 10 nationwide, Senior National Sales Director, Diana Polanco.
The number 3 national in Emerald, number 4 nationwide, Executive National Sales Director, Sonia Baez.
The number 2 national in Emerald and number 2 nationwide, Executive National Sales Director, Patricia Tucker.
I am so excited for you. This is so incredible. What we're doing, how we're doing it, the way we're doing it, the energy that we're doing it with. She is so happy. Look up to the ceiling. Thank you, God.
Thank you, God.
Thank you
Hallelujah.
for this opportunity. Thank you for this reality. Thank you for what we're doing. Let me tell you what we're doing here today. We're creating massive. Massive. You hear me? Massive. Make no mistake, it's going to be massive. Are you ready? Now I said, are you ready? Because I'm here to tell you. You know what the color is? It's pink, but right now it's what? Red. Red, 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 red. Let us be 100% clear about it. I will tell you, I'm so proud to work with this company at this time, to Nathan Moore, who has brought the heat. He has brought the heat and we are ready for it. Trust me, lift your head to the sky and say, we're all in. We're all in.
Want to know what's in products they use, and even more importantly, what's not. With that in mind, we developed marykay Naturally. The entire product line is free of parabens, synthetic fragrance and dyes, SLS and SLES, which are used to make products foam and lather, and phthalates. These ingredients are beauty industry buzzwords that natural product seekers are typically paying attention to. And while marykay Naturally is free of all those ingredients, it's full of amazing wonders. Each product contains its own unique blend of naturally derived ingredients. Mary Kay chose a third party to certify our Mary Kay Naturally products so that you can feel confident about what we claim. To ensure product safety, quality, and performance, every year we spend millions of dollars and conduct hundreds of thousands of tests, including clinical studies with independent dermatologists, ophthalmologists, and other medical experts. Did you realize that there are over 1,300 ingredients banned worldwide? And did you know that we go above and beyond to ensure that our products are safe and meet our high standards? If we can't verify an ingredient's safety, we won't use it. Now, Cosmos is a standard owned and operated by an independent, nonprofit group of 5 leading European associations, including EcoCert. They certify natural and organic products, suppliers, and manufacturers to these comprehensive standards. To earn the Cosmos Natural certification, everything is evaluated, from the sourcing and processing of the ingredients to the manufacturing of the products and even the packaging. We choose to define Mary Kay Naturally products as having at least 90% of the ingredients derived from natural sources, which we are processed in allowance with the third-party standards, currently the Cosmos standard. That's why I'm so proud to introduce Mary Kay Naturally, a skincare line that has Cosmos Natural certified by EcoCert.
Hi guys, we are off to the awards. That's my outfit. Long and flowy. Let's go.
From the Mary Kay National area, Lindsay Peterson. From the Mary Kay National area, Kimberly Sapien. Abigail Sapien.
From the Mary Kay National area, and Kyle.
I decided to view what others might call setbacks as pivot points. I instilled in my mind the belief that all things were working together for my good, and despite the appearances, the power that creates universes and loves me and you had my back. It knows, He knows, God knows my desires. I learned that Plan B usually stands for better. And if I continue to suit up and show up with this attitude, then my mistakes could serve me. You will be blessed, and more importantly, you will be a blessing. Yes, my friends, you are fully and wonderfully equipped right now to pursue all your dreams. You are wired for success, and you are destined for greatness. You have planted yourself in the fertile soil of Mary Kay's unlimited business opportunity. You are not here by accident. You are here to use your God-given gifts to achieve your heart's desires. By living with joy, enthusiasm, we not only fulfill our dreams, but we keep alive the dream of our beautiful founder, Mary Kay, to enrich the lives of women everywhere. Thank you.
She walked into one of my parties the day after we got back from the top director trip last September with her friends, not at all impressed, until she started putting the product on her face. And when we got to the eye cream, she actually said out loud, I didn't want to like this product. She fell in love with it at that moment, bought the Cadillac collection, and signed up that day. And her passion for Mary Kay is so exciting. She's going on an all-expense cruise with her husband Blake in October, Destination Red. This business works.
This is Josepha's 26th appearance in the court sale.
And one way to make a goal real is to write it down. When you see it in black and white on a piece of paper, suddenly it becomes attainable. If you break it down especially into daily, weekly, monthly, and a yearly goal of being on the stage, it can happen. And don't let a single day pass that you don't achieve the goal that you set for that day. It's my heartfelt wish that every single person here would be the richer for it, not only financially, but spiritually and every other way. Our company was begun with the highest of ideals. It was to be a company that would operate on the premise of the golden rule, and that honesty and integrity would be our cornerstones. My objective was to give women the opportunity that I felt I had been denied, much like a mother wants her child to have the things that she didn't have. And I truly believe that women can do anything in this world they want to do. They want to do it bad enough, they're willing to pay the price. Now, in 1963, I was about the only person who thought that. Women were being put down terribly. But you have proven that I was right. Thank you.
As I look out at all of you, I just can't help but feel so proud and excited to stand before so many confident and empowered women. This has truly been a year of accomplishments for Mary Kay, not only because of your commitment to growing your own businesses, but your commitment to building your teams, your units, and your areas to continue Mary Kay's legacy. You know, I look to each one of you to continue to uplift, nurture, and empower and enrich the lives of your current and future Salesforce members. You know, we end this seminar, we end it together by listening to inspirational words from our magnificent independent national sales directors. So please take their words to heart. Take their words to heart and let them guide you to begin this new seminar year. And I want you to know that I believe in you. I'm your biggest fan. You can do it.
Amazing, so amazing. Glad I attended my very first seminar. It's amazing. If you can attend seminar, I would say absolutely do it. It's worth it, totally worth it. It's great for you, great for the mind, great for the spirit, great for your business. Yeah, do it. Hi everyone, heading back to Vermont at Dallas Airport, and yeah, going to Delta. It is almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I just got to my hotel. I was on my way home back to Vermont. My flight got delayed at Dallas for 2 hours, so I missed my connecting flight. So I arrived in New York and I'm exhausted. But Delta, of course, you know, put us up in a hotel. So right now I just got into my hotel room and it's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Exhausted. So anyway, just gonna give you guys a quick tour of my room. It's actually a cute little room. Just pretty simple, but it's fine. I am ready to crash. Ready to crash. They are building a new airport, LaGuardia, so the traffic was crazy. I can't even see anything from here, but there's a lot of traffic and of course construction going on, so yeah. Seminar was pretty interesting. I enjoyed it. It was very on the move. Ooh, look at the bathroom. I've always wanted to visit New York, but not like this. My flight leaves at 10:30, so I'm not gonna like really have time to do anything. But I will be back in New York because I really want to visit New York. But yeah, there's the shower, which I don't think I'll be taking. My luggage is still, I don't have my luggage, it's at the airport. So for the first time in years, I'm going to be sleeping in my makeup because I don't have any of my makeup in my purse. Everything was packed because I thought I was going home. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and thank you for watching. Gotta go to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm exhausted. Bye. Yeah, all the way down to the fans. Thank you. Let's get as many people under the tent as possible.